everyone, so today basically we'll have the tutorial on how to use the Chada Battlefield system as a user. So since Chada Battlefield system is actually a web application, in order to access the said system, you need to open a browser. Okay, so I'm going to open a web browser, and then on the address bar I just need to type the URL of the Chada Battlefield system. It's Chada Battlefield.depeddumageti.com. Again, the URL of the Chada Battlefield system, in order for you to access the said system, is chadabattlefield.depeddumageti.com. Then hit the enter key. Eventually you will be redirected to the login page of the system. So since I'm going to access as a user type, I will be typing a user's account. Alright, so if the username and password are correct, automatically you will be redirected to the dashboard or the interface of a user type. So first things first is to update your information, especially the username and password. And how are you going to do that? You just have to click on my profile, and then from there just update whatever information you want to be updated. I suggest you will fill out the necessary information and change the username and password. Now once you are done updating your profile, the next thing that you should do is to request to join a competition. On your dashboard you can see competition, so just click on this feature of the system, and eventually you will be seeing list of competitions. So you can actually make use of the search bar located at the upper right corner to search for the competition that you wanted to join. Example, jingle making contest. So upon typing the word jingle, automatically I will be seeing two categories, all in all, and these are the jingle making contest elementary and the jingle making contest secondary. So since I'll be joining jingle making contest secondary, so I will click on the click here to join button. If you would notice, I have this pending request status already, meaning to say it needs the approval or confirmation by the system administrator. So you just have to wait for the said approval. Okay, supposing that your request has been approved already by the system administrator, you can see the status here. It's already joined, so it's not any more pending request since your request has been approved already. So from there you can now submit your entries. So how are you going to submit your entries? Going back to the dashboard, there is submit option here. So click on this option, and automatically you will be redirected to this page wherein you have 5 options to upload and submit your entries. These are not required, meaning to say you can only upload the needed requirements or the needed files to a particular competition. Okay, so for you to be able to upload a file, so first things first is to select a competition, and then from there you can now make use of these features in order to submit your entries. So supposing you wanted to upload a video, please be guided that it should be in an MP4 format, and the video should not be more than 3 minutes. Otherwise you will be using the Google Drive and copy the link and paste it here. So since I'm gonna be uploading a video that is less than 3 minutes, I'm going to be using this option here. So I'll click on choose file. I'll select a sample video, and then I will attach my PDF file. So I'll try to this is an example of a PDF file. Alright, so it is being uploaded already. So once you're done with all the needed files, you just have to click on next button, and eventually you will be prompted with this dialog window. This is just a confirmation, and this is also a reminder that you are to upload one video file and one PDF file. So in order to successfully upload your files, just click on upload button. And from there, you just have to wait for a couple of minutes, depending on the files that you are uploading. So from there, you'll be seeing this information message whether or not the uploading of file is successful. So next is to check whether or not your files were really uploaded in the system. So click here, link, in order to view your own entries. Okay, and then there is a button over here, view my entry. So just click on that button for you to be able to see your own entry. So if you may recall, I was actually uploading two files, one video file and one PDF file. So let's try to check whether or not these files were really uploaded in the system. Okay, so this was the video that I uploaded earlier, and I'll check the PDF file as well. Okay, so this was the PDF file that I uploaded a while back. If you happen to have more than one competition, just go back on your dashboard. In order to submit another entry, click submit, and then do the same process, select a competition. So since I have joined only one competition, so I will be seeing only one option here. However, if you joined several competitions, then it will be displayed